We have this question, find the antiderivative of this function.
2x plus 1 cubic dx equal to f of x.
Inside, the derivative we need inside is a 2. Outside, we have a 1. Then, times this integration by 2 and divided by 2 in the same time. When you get the derivative inside, outside, you can remove this one and add to power of parenthesis 1. 2x plus 1, it will be 4 over the new power plus c. This is function and the antiderivative, but we need the unity. Why? Because we have this point, 0 and 5. Replace in f of x 5 and in x 0 to find the value of c. Value of c is constant of integration. We know 2 times 0 plus 1 power 4 over 4 plus c. Transfer this expression value to left side, then find the value of c. You can use the calculator. The value of c is about 4.875. After that, we replace in this function, the correct answer is A. Hello dear student, I am Hunar Rahman, mathematical teacher. For New Year's Academy, I am at Ban High School. Join us.